Hi, so today I'm going to talk to you about the older We Are Memory Keeper cut and score board. And some of you have already bought this, so I'm going to show you a few little tricks that make it a little easier to use. When you look at it, make sure that these tails are on the right hand side so that we can be looking at it at the same way. At the top you'll kind of see this new little blue thing. All it is another cut blade, and it's kind of nice to just keep it in there. Then you know you have an extra one. Your original one's already in there, it's sitting right there. And at the bottom you have your knife that pulls out for your score. I'll get it out in just a minute. You have to actually have this open to be able to get that out, otherwise it's hard to get out. So when you kind of tip it this way, you're going to see these two semicircles. One is going down, the top one is going down, and the bottom one is going up. So you'll want to put your thumb and finger, this one's going to push up, and the top one's going to push down, and it snaps open, just like that. I'm going to do it again. So the top one goes down, the bottom one goes up, snaps open, and when you turn it over you're going to see these two little blue hooks. They make it really nice. You can move those and latch this into place so that it's a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, and there's your knife. You can see it real easy. So I'm going to flip it over and pull out the knife. And there we go. So this is a nice size. It's a 12 by 12, and so you can cut either the 8.5 by 11 or the 12 by 12 papers, which makes it way nice. You can tell I've been cutting. So I have gone ahead and marked mine, and I'm going to just show you. Remember, this has magnets in the bottom and at the top, so it's easiest if you open from both ends. Put one thumb at the bottom and one thumb at the top to open it. So I've taken a permanent marker and I've marked at the 1/2 inch mark. That's usually where I score for when I'm making my my joiners. And then I've done one at 1.5 and then again at 3. And you can do this or you don't have to. What makes that nice is if I push this up and I want to score at 1/2, then I can see the 1/2 on both sides. Let me show you. There, you can see the mark where the 1/2 inch is going to be on both sides. So, okay, so this little blue piece, it flips up and down. Oops, up or down. And you want to store it with the blue piece laying on top of the board. It won't break then. It won't break. This blue piece won't break off, which makes it really nice. But and it's for scoring, so when you want to score, you're going to go ahead and put that down, and then you'll push your paper up to this little ledge, and then you can score it. Makes it way nice. But when you want to cut it, you'll have to lift that and flip it over the entire right hand side, and then pull this down, and I'm going to push that over, and then you can cut. So that's one of the neat little tricks. You cut with it down and you score with it up. Okay, so when you're finished with it, I go ahead and push my blade the whole way to the top. I close it, and remember there are magnets on both ends. I will flip it over again, and I will slide these back into place, and I can put my knife back. And then I just snap it and you're done. I hope that helps you. Okay, join me again. Bye-bye.